Hello world, Wendy from Cali here. It's been a minute since I've been on here. Work's been real crazy, but we have time to unbox the December Color Street Color Play subscription box. And so here we are. Let's get to it. I thought I was not going to get this till Monday, so I was pleasantly surprised to get it on a Friday. I know a lot of other folks are waiting for their boxes. So if you do not want a spoiler, turn off this video and come back when you're ready for it. Otherwise, if you came here to see my first impressions of what's in the box, keep watching, because here we go. All I have to say is I do love the color story of this, and I really hope that they stuck to it with the sets. So let's get to this. Alright, we'll put this Timeless Treasures pamphlet aside, and I will review that later. Let's pull out all the other stuff. And, let's see here. We've got the Color Street file, nail prep pad, which I feel like they shouldn't need to include them in the sub boxes. Most of us who subscribe to the boxes, like, we totally, like, have a lot of those. But if they're going to include it, then they're including a bunch of nail sets. We don't all wear our nail sets, like, all at once. And so I feel like they should include, you know, more nail prep pads. I know I saw the Color Street Advent calendar this year, and they included, like, 12 nail prep pads, which made sense because there was 12 sets in the box. I don't know. What do you all think? That's my little rant, but let's get going. Let's open up the free gift first. I really do love the box. Ooh, hair clips. Why do I feel like deja vu? Didn't we get hair clips like in another sub box? Oh, but they didn't look like this. Pretty. But they're like two different ones, so I can't matchy-matchy on both sides, can I? I'd only have to use them on one side. Ooh, they're really securely strapped into that right there. I will not mess with those. I will try them on later, but they are very pretty. My experience with little gems like this, usually they fall off real easily, so we'll see how long these last. But first impressions at a glance, very pretty. And Timeless Treasures, I feel like it does fit in with the name of the theme. Okay, here we are. Crown Jewels. Crown Jewels. All right. Oh, it's a full set. Oh god, that's beautiful. Okay, right off the bat, Color Street, yes. I love this. It fits the name, Crown Jewels. It literally looks like a tiara full of rainbow colors. And I'm going to have so much fun with that for New Year's. I feel like this is totally giving me a New Year's vibes, birthday vibes. Very nice. And it's got magenta looking big like chunks of glitter, green, some kind of sky blue. So it's not full rainbow, but there's like little tiny bits of like copperish gold glitters in the mix too. So it's like really, really beautiful. All right, so that's Crown Jewels. We've got Chocolate Opal. Chocolate Opal's another full set. Ooh, what? Oh, I feel like I'm getting a sense of deja vu, but I can't think of what I'm, like, thinking of. Was it something that was in the Advent calendar that I saw someone unbox? I didn't end up getting the Advent calendar because I just have too many nails already, nail sets, and so I was like, no, I better not. But if they put it up on discount sale, you know I'm going to snatch one up. This one, Chocolate Opal, does fit with the name as well. It's like a milky chocolate. I wouldn't say like a dark chocolate, but very light, brownish, almost there's a gold coppery sheen to it with these little, oh, they're like holographic glitters that at certain angles they disappear into the design, and then at other angles they pop up like ghosts. It's really very pretty. Floral Tiara. Here we go. Another full set. Yes. Okay, see, they did a nod to the box right there. And I love this. Okay, this might be my most favorite in the box so far. Like, I usually am not fans of like a floral design, but this abstract, really big, florally design, I really like that. And then I like that they had a pop of just like a neutral color to go with it. So it makes it very easy to do a mixed mani. And, oh, these designs that they're coming out with, they like pop. Like, it's almost like a 3D effect. The camera does not, it doesn't pick up on camera that way, but trust me, they are beautiful. Last one's also a full set, so it looks like 4 full sets in this box. London Topaz. I feel like Color Street just does this over and over again, and it's literally giving me like, I swear there's been sets that are similar to this. It must be like a popular color with folks, because this base color is like seen like all the time. Like, they do this all the time. But the subtle little glitters, again, it's that weird, from different angles it disappears and then it magically pops up. So it's really cool. So, okay, these are the sets that were included in the December Timeless Treasures box. Did you guys subscribe this month? If you didn't, apparently Color Street had a whole bunch of sub boxes that you can just buy off their site. I'll link Shannon's Chic Nails by Shannon, the Color Street stylist that I typically purchase from right now, since my sister-in-law is no longer a stylist. I'll link her link below in case you want to shop for the sub box, because get it before it's sold out or pulled from the Color Street site, because if you didn't get it and you are seeing this and you totally want it, you can still get it off the site, at least as of today, Friday the 13th, December 13th, 2024. But those are the 4 sets. Again, here is the gift item. Just hold it up closer for you guys just to see those. I mean, those would make great little hair accessories for like a wedding, or I'm going to my niece's nutcracker performance next weekend, so I'll likely wear one of these. Don't know which one yet, but we'll find out. And last but not least, let's look through the pamphlet. I love looking through this pamphlet and embarrassing myself by reading through it, stumbling as I go. But this is Color Play by Color Street Timeless Treasures, December 2024. In this month's box, uncover the secrets of precious finery, where every piece tells a story, in Color Play's Timeless Treasures. This box features 3 magnificent vintage glitters, including one inspired by rich gemstones. Did I say rich? Well, whatever. Plus a lavishing floral shade for a bespoke manicure that holds everlasting memories. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design inspired by the bygone era. See? Always stumbling on words. Bonus item. Decorate your updo in dazzling elegance with this 2-piece luxe hair clip set. Perfect for any occasion. There it is there. And then meet the strips. Crown Jewels is a 2 sheets of 8 finger strips, glitter. Adorn your nails with this multicolored jewel-esque glitter that sparkles from every angle. And then we've got London Topaz, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter. Your custom nail design will shine like a London Topaz with this classic teal glitter. Is Topaz the December birthstone? I feel like turquoise is, right? I'm not sure, but let's keep going. Chocolate Opal, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter. This rich boysenberry with chunky holographic glitter has been passed down through generations. It does look almost kind of antique-like. I wouldn't call it boysenberry though, but Color Street would. And then Floral Tiara, 2 sheets of 8-finger strips, glitter design. Add a touch of botanical beauty to your nails with this champagne glitter and multicolored floral design. The one thing that this box is missing is an overlay. I feel like they need an overlay because I don't think that's an overlay. I'm pretty sure that's a solid glitter set there. But here we have crown jewels with chocolate opal and floral tiara. On the front cover, we've got crown jewels, chocolate opal, London Topaz, and floral tiara. So it looks like they used all 4 sets. I love the little sweater color there. And then back cover has chocolate opal, London Topaz, and crown jewels. And then share with us. Share your bejeweled manicure on social media and use the hashtag #colorplay to show the world your creativity. And then here's more. I sometimes forget to show these little pictures, but there's crown jewels by itself. What a lovely ring on her. London Topaz, chocolate opal, and then that mix, crown jewels, chocolate opal, floral tiara, and London Topaz. What'd you guys think? I mean, I certainly love this box. I can't wait to wear this one, likely for either a birthday or for New Year's. And then that flower one, oh, I don't know when I'll wear that flower one, because now that I'm seeing it on fingers, it actually looks really busy. But it's really beautiful, so I don't know. But yeah, comment below what you thought. Did you like your box? Did you even get a box? Are you going to go get a box? And yeah, if you watch all the way through this video and you can't think of anything to comment, why don't you put a clock emoji, since it's timeless treasures. So a clock emoji and a diamond emoji. Clock, diamond, timeless treasures. I'll see you all next time. Peace.